What's up, online shoppers? So I thought that all non-stick pans were basically the same until I was gifted this set of NuWave Duralon blue ceramic cookware. When did I notice this was a game changer? When I cooked eggs in this set with zero oil and they slid right out like a TikTok trick shot. No sticking, no scraping, just a clean pan and a perfectly cooked egg. If your old pots and pans are scratched or dinged or starting to fade or warped, or maybe they just make cooking more of a chore than you're looking for, it might be time to invest in a new set of pots. And I have to tell you, this set of pots from NuWave is absolutely awesome. As a matter of fact, this versatile set from NuWave might just be the upgrade you didn't even know you needed. I've been using this Duralon blue ceramic set for about a month now. Breakfast, meal prep, family dinners, you name it. I've used it on my gas stove, I've used it on my induction burner, I've cleaned it by hand, I've thrown it in the dishwasher, and here is what really stood out. First off, this is legit non-stick. Now, I've made all kinds of cheesy, gooey situations in my 8-inch frying pan, no spray, no butter, and just wiped it clean with a paper towel. The ceramic surface is diamond infused, which I thought was a gimmick, but it turns out it actually makes a difference in scratch resistance. After weeks of metal spatulas and clumsy flips, still not a mark on my cookware. And speaking about the non-stick feature of this is a non-stick ceramic coating that is not a chemically based non-stick formula. It's been third-party tested to be free of harmful chemicals. Now, what surprised me the most about this set is how evenly they heat up. The forged aluminum base isn't heavy, but it holds heat super well. Now, I did a sear on salmon in the saute pan, and then I transferred it straight to the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. No warping, no weird smells, just a clean finish and a perfectly crisp skin. And yes, even the lids are oven safe. Hardness-wise, it's rated at a 9H, and since the diamond is rated at 10H, it's extremely strong. Now, as far as cook surfaces go, it is definitely suited to all cook surfaces, whether you're cooking on an induction cooktop, a glass top, or your gas or electric oven. It has a really cool anti-warp SS plate that's bonded to the bottom of all the pots and pans to make it induction ready and to help prevent warping. The other great thing about these pots is they can move from stovetop to oven without any problems and no fear of warping or weird smells while you're cooking. And to top of that all off, the lids themselves also work in an oven. Now, cleanup is where these things really shine. Even after making sticky sauces or roasting veggies with oil, it all rinses right off. Plus, they're dishwasher safe, which I have used a few times when I just didn't want to deal with a sink full of dishes. No fading, no flaking. And the handles, well, they stay cool enough to grab on the stovetop, which sounds minor, but is actually a huge win when you're cooking multiple dishes at once. So what's the verdict on these? Well, if you want a non-stick, durable set that looks great and holds up to real use, I definitely think that this is the pot set for you. I love that it's easily transferable between electric, gas, glass, or induction cooktops, and the weight of them has them coming in as lighter than cast iron, but definitely as reliable. And there you have it, folks. As far as value, ease of use, style, durability, and overall just awesomeness. And what's the final verdict on these? Well, at my house, the ease of use, the ease of cleanup, and the fact that they actually look nice and they're not super heavy has made this cook set from NuWave Duralon Blue a family favorite at my house.